What's going on, internet land? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic in this new year. Here we are again. We're back with another lesson. This week we're going to cover a song from the Foo Fighters called My Hero off their 1997 album, The Color and Shape. I remember when this came out. This album was massive. And in my opinion, it still holds up over time. Some great songs on this record. It's a big rock record. The guy who wrote the songs, Dave Grohl, is playing drums as well. I always recommend albums that you can listen to all the way through. This is another one of those. What am I saying?
I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, let's get into it. So grab your guitar and let's learn how to play My Hero by the Foo Fighters. So we're starting out with an open E chord. Okay, we all know how to play that. E. And then we go to a C sharp minor. So you might have to bar chord on this one. Okay, or I think there's another way you can do it without the bar, right? Just like we talked about in a previous lesson. You don't have to play the bar if you're... Okay, so you have E, C sharp minor. So let me play that in a time context for you. And our next chord would be an F sharp minor to A. There's kind of like this little tag thing that goes to A. Now that's kind of tricky, right? If you're a beginner, you want to take that real slow. You have your F sharp minor here, and then you have an A. Right, and what I'm doing with the A is I'm just laying my finger across those three strings rather than do this A. I'm just laying my finger down because it's just easier that way. Then all I have to do is just... Okay, so let me play the whole thing in a time context. Now we're getting into the verses, which alternate between the E and the C sharp minor. So for the chorus, we're going to go to an A chord. And then we're going to go to an E chord. We're going to repeat that. And then we're going to hit the F sharp minor and the A. And then we'll start another verse. And the bridge kind of does this build-up thing. I'll play a verse and a chorus for you real slow. So this is the verse. Now let's go to the chorus. Here's E. A. The F sharp minor.
Oh, something frickin' high.
Let's talk about the bridge very quickly. We have E major, C sharp minor, and then we hold this E major. Then there's really cool drum stuff, and then you just go back to it. And then there's a chorus again, and then we end. You know, so very easy song. Just take it slow. There's also a really cool riff you can put in there over the F sharp minor. If you want to get a little fancy with it, you're basically going 2, 4, 2, 4, open. Off the E and the A string. So E string, 2, A string, 4, A string, 2, of E string 4, open A. And you can play that in front of all your little buddies, and then you'll know how to play Foo Fighters' My Hero. Maybe we'll show you how that looks in context. And there you go. That's it. Well, that's the lesson for the week. I hope you guys have fun with it. And remember that we're playing music, so continue to work hard and then play and forget all the rules. Thanks for stopping by. There's a lot of other guitar channels and a lot of other people that you can allow into your world to teach you guitar. So I thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're not subscribed, it would be helpful if you were, because then we can make more videos. And I think that would be pretty cool, don't you? It's been really fun hanging with you guys today, and I hope you decide to come back, and we'll see you next time. All right.